Two petitions have been filed in court to challenge the newly signed Kenya-US Health Cooperation Framework, with critics including Consumers Federation of Kenya, COFEC, and Busia County Senator and activist Okiyah Omtatah warning that the deal could open the door to the exposure or misuse of sensitive Kenyan health data. But President William Ruto has come out dismissing the claims as misinformation, defending the legality of the agreement between Nairobi and Washington, accusing disgruntled NGOs of stirring public emotions after losing control of donor funds. Melita Oletenges has that report.
The recently signed Kenya-US Health Cooperation Framework has ignited heated debate over the scope of information Kenya may share with the United States, pushing different institutions and individuals to move to court to try and stop the implementation of the agreement. Questions over the safety of personal medical records have dominated public discourse, with critics warning that the deal could expose sensitive health data and undermine patient confidentiality. The Consumers Federation of Kenya, in a petition, has stated that the agreement involves cross-border transfer of sensitive health information and touches on national security interests. While Busia Senator Okiyah Omtatah, in his petition, has in part stated that no consultations were held with health stakeholders, civil society, or members of the public prior to the signing. President William Ruto has, however, dismissed claims that Kenya is selling sensitive data to the United States through the Kenya-US Health Cooperation Framework. He insists the deal does not exploit Kenyans in any way and is fully anchored in solid legal grounds.
Nobody and no government will take advantage of the people of Kenya as long as I am president, because I am clear what we want, I am clear where we must go.
The president emphasized that the Office of the Attorney General thoroughly reviewed the agreement and ensured that Kenya's data protection laws take precedence. He dismisses the backlash from critics as sour grapes from NGOs that have been sidelined.
I know there are entities that have been benefiting from these resources, and as a result, they are sponsoring all manner of stories around. If they have a problem with the current structure, they should go and talk to the government of the United States.
The 200 billion Kenya-US deal, meant to support Kenya's health sector for 5 years, has also drawn criticism from some quarters, claiming it adds to the country's debt. The president refutes this.
This facility is not alone. I have seen some comments whether we are contracting more debt. Just to assure the nation that this is not a loan facility. I have also been careful to make sure that the negotiations were clear.
The president also stated that the deal came about as a result of a request by the Kenyan government for support in the health sector, which was granted by the US, and due diligence in the legal framework done by the two countries. President Ruto was speaking as he chaired the 12th National and County Governments Coordinating Summit at State House, Nairobi. Melita Oletenges,